Good morning. So, early morning, even though the daily schedule is not there, then I could hear a lot of birds chirping in our backyard, so I'm going to see that. Here there are two mango seedlings. They have grown of its own, and I will try to transplant it. Few minutes back, the quail bird was singing here in our backyard, but now it has stopped. I wanted to record the voice of the quail bird. If I sit here for a long time, then I will be able to see a lot of animals, birds, but I have to prepare breakfast actually. I try to wake up more early so that I can show more birds, especially the sunbird. For breakfast, I'm going to prepare veg noodles with the spring onions that I bought from yesterday's Sunday market.